पर्रीकाराचे भलायके बरोबर गोयचे राजकारणूय खंय हल्ला. फुडल्या कांय दिसांचो अदमास घेवन काँग्रेसीन स्ट्रॅटजी करूंक सुरवात केल्या. सोमारा प्रदेश काँग्रेसीन आमदारांक घेवन प्रभारी चेल्लाकुमाराचे अध्यक्षते खाला खासा मिटींग घेतली. चडशे आमदार पावले.
Everybody knows about the developments lot of developments are taking place in Goa. So we also have to, naturally as a political party and opposition party, we have to think over and we have to discuss about that. So we discuss about, they have totally voted against the BJP. But that time with the muscle power, money power and official machinery, because they are ruling in the central, and the governor, all together jointly they have grabbed the power from Congress. So now this time we will comfortably form the government.
Okay, with the alliance partner.
Yes, everything we will come to know.
The talks are going on, sir, with the MGP.
No, that and all I cannot reveal to the media.
But are you ready to form the government with the MGP? Is Congress is okay with the MGP?
See, what is the point in talking about very prematurely? There is no point in that.
But you are okay with the MGP?
No, that's what I'm telling. There is nothing to disclose my movement.
विधानसभेत वेळ प्रसंगाक बहुमत जमना जाल्यार बीजेपी विधानसभा विसर्जित करूंक शकता म्हूण दुबावान सरकार पक्षाक आडावंक काँग्रेसीन पयलींच सुप्रीम कोर्टांतूय वचपाची तयारी दवरल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळकार.